Here at OXO, we take consumer feedback very seriously. When we saw that we had less than stellar reviews on our On-the-Go Wipes Dispenser, we knew we had a design issue that needed to be addressed. Consumers were saying that the wipes were drying out too quickly in too short a period of time. We went back and created a second wall that runs the perimeter of the product on the inside of the lid on both the top and the bottom. This creates a better seal, so wipes stay moist longer. Any reviews that reference the wipes drying out too quickly is on the old product. We have a satisfaction guarantee on all of our items, so if you have an old product that you're not happy with, please call us at 1-800-545-4411. We'd love the chance to make it right and replace the old product with our new improved version. Thanks for your feedback.
When tots are in need of a diaper change away from home, just reach for the OXO Tot On-the-Go Wipes Dispenser. A generous opening makes it easy to load. A simple one-handed push of the button reveals a wide opening for access to wipes. Just like with our full-size dispenser, you can remove wipes one at a time. A silicone strap makes it easy to secure the dispenser to stroller handles, and a slim shape fits neatly into diaper bags. OXO Tot offers parents thoughtful products that help guide, nurture, and care for their little ones.